To set up the face recognition on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to add our face data, and in order to do so, we need to open settings. Then over here, we need to scroll down a little bit and go to lock screen and AOD, and then we want to choose screen lock and biometrics. Now, if you have screen lock, then good, you need to use it in order to proceed. If you don't, then you will need to set it up to be able to register your face and scan the face data. So choose the password type that you wish to have for the screen lock, and then you can go to face recognition. Then press continue, and then register. And now we need to position our face in the frame. You might also need to move your face up or down in the meantime. And if you wear glasses, you will need to take them off as well. And once you complete the scan, you will jump to the face recognition settings, where we can, for instance, remove the face data, add alternative appearance, and we can also find some additional options. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!